Hey everyone, if you're an HP laptop user struggling with Bluetooth error 10, you're not alone, and I've got the fix for you. This error, which pops up as "this device cannot start," is a common issue that can disrupt your wireless connections, but don't worry. We'll break it down and resolve it step by step in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is error 10? It typically means your Bluetooth hardware isn't starting properly, often due to software glitches or driver problems. This can prevent devices like headphones or mice from pairing. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common ones include outdated Bluetooth drivers, conflicts from recent Windows updates, or even interference from other hardware. For HP laptops in 2025, this might stem from incompatible drivers or a simple system glitch after an update. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by updating your drivers. Head to the HP support website, search for your laptop model, and download the latest Bluetooth drivers. Install them, then restart your laptop to see if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. Find your Bluetooth device under Bluetooth or Network Adapters, right-click it, and choose Update Driver or Uninstall Device. Restart your computer afterward, and Windows should reinstall the driver automatically. Another easy fix is running the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, select Bluetooth, and let it run through the checks. If the problem persists, check for hardware issues. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled in your BIOS settings. Restart your laptop and press the key to enter BIOS, usually F2 or Del, then look for Bluetooth options. Also, make sure there's no physical switch on your laptop that's turned off. Finally, if none of these work, consider resetting your Bluetooth settings or contacting HP support for more advanced help. By following these steps, you should have your Bluetooth up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes.